Insurance. You've heard the word a million times, but what does it really mean? Why do you need it? And how do you make sure you're not overpaying for something you barely understand? Hey there, I'm Alex, and welcome to Project File. Today we're breaking down insurance. What it is, how it works, and the different types you should care about. Think of it as your financial safety net, the thing that catches you when life throws one of its inevitable curveballs. We're going to demystify the jargon, cut through the confusion, and hopefully by the end of this you'll feel a whole lot more confident about this super important yet often perplexing topic. All in under 8 minutes. Let's go. Let's break it down. Insurance is basically a system where people pool their money to protect each other from big, unexpected expenses. Imagine a neighborhood potluck, but instead of food, everyone chips in cash to help anyone who faces a sudden disaster, like a house fire or a medical emergency. That's the core idea, shared risk. You pay a little regularly so you're not alone if something big goes wrong. Your payment is called a premium. It's your ticket into this safety net. In return, the insurance company promises to help cover costs if a specific bad thing happens, as outlined in your policy. Insurance companies use math and statistics to set premiums and make sure there's enough money in the pot to pay claims. The more people in the pool, the easier it is to cover big losses for the unlucky few. This makes huge, unpredictable costs, like rebuilding a house or paying for surgery, manageable for everyone. People who are riskier to insure might pay more, but that's how the system stays fair and sustainable. Beyond the money, insurance gives you peace of mind. You can live your life without constantly worrying about what if. But remember, your policy is a legal contract. Always read it and know what's covered, what's not, and what you need to do if you need to make a claim. Don't just file it away. Understand it. Insurance is about transferring risk from you to a larger group, managed by professionals. It's not about preventing bad things, but about softening the blow when they happen. The key is knowing you're not facing financial disaster alone. Premiums fill the collective pot, and claims are paid out to those who need it. The system works because most people won't need big payouts at the same time. That's the magic of risk pooling. Insurance companies balance the pool, so there's always enough to go around. The result? You get financial security and the freedom to focus on living, not worrying. It's a simple idea but a powerful one. So, next time you hear insurance, think shared safety net, not just paperwork. That's the big idea. Let's see how it works in real life. Now let's zoom in on health insurance, your financial shield against high medical costs. Medical care can be expensive, but health insurance helps cover doctor visits, hospital stays, surgeries, and prescription drugs. Without it, even a simple checkup or a single hospital visit could cost a fortune. Health insurance absorbs most of these costs, so you don't have to drain your savings or go into debt. It's not just for emergencies. Many plans cover preventative care like vaccines and screenings, often at little or no cost. You'll hear terms like deductible, copay, and out-of-pocket maximum. Know these. They determine how much you pay before insurance kicks in, and the most you'll pay in a year. For people with chronic conditions, prescription coverage is a lifeline, making ongoing treatment affordable. The real value? Peace of mind. You can get care when you need it, without worrying about the bill. In many places, health insurance is a cornerstone of financial planning. It's not just a policy, it's an investment in your health and your future. Health insurance helps you focus on getting better, not on how you'll pay. It protects you from medical debt, which can be financially devastating. Preventative care keeps you healthier and saves money in the long run. The right plan means you're covered for both the expected and the unexpected. It's about access, security, and stability. Don't wait for a crisis, make sure you're protected. Health insurance is your shield against life's medical storms. Let's move on to the next big risk, the road. Let's talk auto insurance, your legal and financial safety net when you drive. Most places require at least basic liability coverage, so if you cause an accident, you can pay for injuries or damage. Auto insurance also covers your car. Collision coverage pays for repairs after an accident, while comprehensive covers things like theft, fire, or storms. If you lease or finance your car, these coverages are usually required. Liability coverage is crucial. It pays for damage or injuries you cause to others, protecting you from lawsuits. Some policies include medical payments or personal injury protection, covering medical bills for you and your passengers no matter who's at fault. The right policy means you're not left paying out of pocket for repairs, medical bills, or legal claims. Accidents are unpredictable and costs can add up fast. Auto insurance gives you peace of mind every time you hit the road. It's about protecting yourself, your passengers, and everyone else out there. Choose coverage that fits your car, your budget, and your driving habits. Review your policy regularly. Your needs can change. Don't drive unprotected. The risks are too high. With the right insurance, you can focus on the road, not the what-ifs. It's a small price for big protection. Next, let's talk about protecting your home. Your sanctuary deserves a safety net too. Your home is your sanctuary. Protect it with homeowners or renters insurance. Homeowners insurance covers your house and belongings from disasters like fire, theft, and certain natural events. Renters insurance protects your personal stuff if you don't own the building. Both types usually include liability coverage, so if someone gets hurt at your place, you're covered. Standard policies cover things like fire, windstorms, and theft, but not always floods or earthquakes. Those need separate policies. If your home becomes unlivable after a disaster, insurance can help pay for temporary living expenses. Keep an inventory of your belongings. It makes claims easier and faster. The cost of rebuilding or replacing everything can be huge. Insurance makes it manageable. Liability coverage protects you from lawsuits if someone is injured on your property. For renters, your landlord's insurance won't cover your stuff. Get your own policy. Review your policy to make sure you're covered for the risks in your area. Insurance is about peace of mind, knowing your home and possessions are protected. It's a small investment for big security. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Get covered now. Your home is worth protecting. Next, let's talk about leaving a legacy for your loved ones. Life insurance is about caring for those you love, even after you're gone. If people depend on your income, life insurance provides a financial cushion if you pass away unexpectedly. The payout, called a death benefit, can cover funeral costs, replace lost income, and pay off debts like mortgages or loans. It helps your family maintain their lifestyle and avoid financial hardship during a tough time. There are different types like term and whole life, but the main goal is the same. Protect your loved one's future. If you have kids, a partner, or anyone who relies on you, consider life insurance. It's an act of love and responsibility. The right policy means your family can focus on healing, not bills. Review your needs as life changes, marriage, kids, new debts. Life insurance is a powerful way to leave a legacy of care. It's not about you, it's about those you leave behind. Now let's wrap up what we've learned. That's insurance, demystified. We've covered risk sharing, health, auto, home, renters, and life insurance. The big takeaway? Insurance is a tool for financial security and peace of mind. Understanding it helps you avoid overpaying or being underprotected. Keep learning, ask questions, and tailor your coverage to your needs. Thanks for watching Project File. Stay smart, stay protected, and don't forget to be awesome.